on a holiday in Tasmania. I'm going rock hopping with my brother. Mum's coming too. You've got to have good balance.
Found a patch of sandfire.
It goes next to the rocks. You can eat it, but ask an adult first. Yum! Tastes salty. We help each other up the rocks. We found something really awesome behind the beach.
There's a mummy penguin in her burrow.
Look, she's got a baby penguin. We better leave her alone. Back to rock hopping.
We love rock hopping. Bye.